What's going on, YouTube? So, I don't have a helmet. I'm just learning to ride. So I got a new helmet from Neal. I'm checking it out. Yeah, she looks pretty. I don't really like wearing helmets, but I'm getting to the point where I really need to wear one because I'm riding faster than I used to. Which we all know you should wear a helmet anyway. And I'm trying to practice what I preach for my kids, because they're also noticing that I'm not wearing a helmet. Trying to unbuckle her, because my neck is not that thin. How does this work? I can't really see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Oh, wow.
I don't think you should upload that.
So see, I'm new to riding, and I'm new to, I don't want this to move like this, so maybe that's the strap will keep it from doing that. So yeah, it feels good actually. It's pretty comfy. How do I look? Probably not great, but that's okay, as long as I don't hurt myself. Just gotta get some goggles. And yeah, so I think if you're around my size, 22, around the top, a medium should be good. So yeah, we'll give her some test runs here in a little bit. It's the 4th of July weekend. We plan to do a lot of riding. So my husband was very committed to making sure my helmet came before the weekend. I'll let you know after I've had it for like a week or so, but I think she's gonna do great. Right? Thanks for checking me out.